welcome back to my channel, Exquisite Glow. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make your own stickers for your planner that you're using. Either it may be the Erin Condren planner, the hobby planner, or any type of planner that you're using. I just want to show you guys how easy it is without having all that fancy equipment like the Silhouette, the Cricut, you know, anything else that is out there that cuts stickers for you, or at least makes it really easy. Plus, those machines are pretty expensive. I do have the Silhouette, and to be honest with you guys, I've probably used it 3, maybe 4 times. I don't recall. It's been a long time, only because I really needed to sit and, you know, learn it well, and then I, you know, got busy, life got busy, and I just haven't gone back to it. So whenever there is anything that I see online, I print it, I just go ahead and cut it myself instead of sitting there trying to create a cut file for it. So I wanted to show you guys how easy it is for you to do it yourself as well. So the first thing I wanted to show you is the stickers that I will be cutting today. And it's these stickers here. I found them on Pinterest. All I did was I typed in Erin Condren weekly planner stickers, Erin Condren monthly stickers, and happy planner, depending on what planner you have. So I typed that in and I got, you know, a feed of a whole bunch of different designs, and I just, you know, started saving or liking the ones, hitting the heart to the ones that I liked. And yeah, so then I went back, and what it does is you click on the picture and it'll take you directly to the blog of a person who created the stickers, and I just looked for free ones. So I looked for free ones, and the reason why is because, as you guys know, planner decorating can get really expensive, and I am at the point where, yes, I really like decorating my planner, but I need to give my bank account a break. So I thought getting some free stickers on Pinterest would be pretty cool, but I never thought that I would find such nice stickers. I mean, look at this. These are so beautiful, and all you need is paper, a printer, and your computer so you can print them out yourself. Now, there is 2 ways to go about it. You can print them on regular paper, and that's completely fine because you can cut it with scissors, cut these images with scissors, and then just use a glue stick. This is actually how I started with my planner. If you look at the beginning of my planner endeavor, I was using scrapbook paper, cutting the boxes to the size of my Erin Condren, you know, morning, day, and night boxes, and then I would just glue them down with a glue stick. So that's one way to go. Now, an easier way would be buying sticker paper and then just printing directly onto the sticker paper, which is now what I'm doing. So I actually did purchase glossy sticker paper. This one here is glossy, and I did also purchase a matte. Now, if you are going to be buying sticker paper, I upfront recommend for you to buy the glossy one because the colors are just more vibrant. Everything looks sharper, whereas on the matte, it kind of absorbs the ink used into the paper because it's matte, so it kind of sucks it, and it just makes everything look a little bit more dull. Still nice, but dull. Not as sharp because the colors kind of bleed into each other when it absorbs into the paper. So definitely I recommend for you guys to use glossy paper, plus it like dries quickly, so you're not going to smear it or anything. So yeah, I recommend that. Now, the other thing that you'll need if you're going to be using sticker paper is you are going to be using an X-ACTO knife. Now, I've upgraded. I'm not ghetto no more. I'm not using the box cutter, okay? But I went ahead and I bought the X-ACTO knife. I thought it was pretty cool because I can just put it in with my pens. It has a cap, so I bought this. Plus, when you buy refill knives for the X-ACTO knife, it comes with like 5 or 6 for a really good price. So, I mean, I'm not going to be spending a lot of money. So yeah, so I got this. And then another thing that you'll want is you'll want a ruler. Now, I did used to have a plastic ruler, but I felt like with the box cutter, I kind of started, you know, cutting into the plastic and making like little cut edges, I think. And I didn't like that, so everything wasn't being as smooth as it could be on the edge. So I got this one, which is more like a metal-y kind. What I like about it too is that the bottom is cork, so when you lay it down on your stickers, it will not move unless you like lift it. So when you lift it, then you can move it. So it won't like slide around, so that way with your knife, when you're, you know, cutting through, it's not gonna move at this side over here because, you know, it's grabbing its grip, okay? So these are the things that you would need, okay? So the next thing, you can cut on like a regular surface, but because I don't want to mess up anything, you can opt to get a cutting mat, which I actually have from my sewing days. I am very crafty. I like to, like, you know, get into different kinds of crafts, so I have a cutting mat. So I'll just put this over this and I'll just start cutting from here. But yeah, I wanted to show you how easy it is. This is the stickers that I am going to be using in this week's plan with me. So yeah, so let me just give you guys a quick demo of what I'm going to do. Now real quick, I think I might have said it, but this sticker set is like a weekly sticker set, and it's from planner1love.com. So if you guys like this, definitely go check her out. They're her stickers and they are freebies, so go get them before they're gone. Another thing is that it says on here that it is for the Erin Condren and Recollections planners. So that's pretty cool, right? And it's a weekly spread. All right, so I'm gonna start off with this page here. Something that I look for when I am trying to find stickers that I wanna cut are stickers that don't have a lot of rounded edges or like a lot of circle stuff, only because that would be harder, you know, to cut. So I try to look for things that are more sharp edged. All right, so I'll set down my ruler. You have the sharp edge there. Just set it down right next to the ruler, and you're going to press just a bit, not hard, because you don't want to go through the whole paper. You want to kiss cut the sticker, so you're going to go a little lightly, just so at least you get the first layer of the paper, which is the sticker part, the one you'll be removing. Alright, so I can feel the cut when I touch it. Now I'm going to go on to the next one. You want to try your hardest to keep everything lined up. And again, we're going to go right on the ruler. Alright, so now I got that second line. So you'll do that all the way across. Alright, so on this section, as you can see, we have these flags here. I've been going all the way down because as of right now, everything has been in perfect lines. But now that we have some, you know, detailed flags here, I'm going to have to stop cutting there and then continue down here because I don't want to cut through this flag, okay? So I'll always make sure to keep an eye on what's coming up, so that you don't mess up your stickers. So we'll stop there and we'll continue here. Like so. So you probably can't see it, but I started the cut here. I finished it around here. Yeah, let me see. Perfect. Right there, and then I'm gonna do the next one and the next one. All right, so now I'm gonna flip this over now that I have everything cut, and I'm gonna cut across. Make sure that you go past the last cut so that you make sure you get nice corners. Right, so on here, even though these are rounded, I'm cutting them as squares. I could always go back and just free-handedly, you know, like go around it. I could do that, or I can cut them with the scissors when I'm going to use it. I'm just gonna cut all these empty ends and these, and I'll be right back to show you how they peel off. All right, Exquisite planners, so I just finished cutting up this sheet as well. With the circles, I did as best as I could free-handed while holding the X-ACTO knife, and then just kind of like rotating the paper like this to go cut around. The snowflakes, obviously, is too much detail to do those. Can't do those. I'm not even gonna attempt it because I know it won't work out for me. But yeah, so I've already kiss-cutted everything. Now let's show you how it works. So now you can just peel off your stickers and use them in your planner. So I cut all these. So we got this. We got the flags. Did flags as well. Completely off. Leave it on there. And then also I realized by looking while cutting, I'm like, oh, washi tape. So I got washi tape for the bottom. Uh-oh, did I not do the top? Yeah, I did. Hold up, wait a minute. See, this happens, guys. Didn't cut all the way to the edge there. Alright. There we go. Should work now. There we go. See, now you got that washi tape going. Let's see. Okay, there you go. You got the circles. So we got that going very well. And then the weekend banner. Did the best I could with the weekend banner. So yeah, so I went ahead and cut everything. Like I said, you guys, you can go on Pinterest. You can find really cool freebie stickers that you can print out and kiss cut them just like I showed you here. Obviously this one did a little bit more because it's a little bit more detailed because of the flags and all. Just kind of cut like that. And yeah, I am ready to use this in this next week's planner, weekly plan with me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, like what sticker paper I use, you know, where I got certain things, definitely go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you like this type of video. If this helped you at all, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your planner friends as well so they know where they can go get their stickers and how to cut them themselves, just to make everything a little bit more affordable for your planner, because planning can get expensive sometimes. So there you guys, thank you so much for watching. You can follow me at exquisite_planning. The link to that will be down below, and it is also here on the screen, so definitely go check me out there. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.